Kuala Lumpur last night by PIA. We made it to the hotel at 7 a.m. Finally checked in, got into our beds, and
yes, slept for a bit, and then now we're all set, all dressed up, and we're going to go to our first spot, which is Petronas Twin Towers. And we're excited. We're excited. So we're just gonna go and see how it goes. Hey everyone, so we're standing in front of Petronas Twin Towers, and I must say, everyone who's coming to KL, they must come and visit this building. It's so iconic, so amazing, so huge.
It's over 450 meters high, and it looks like a piece of art. So should we go inside and check it out? Yeah?
So right now we are in Surya KLCC Mall, which is under Petronas Twin Towers.
What's amazing about this mall is that everything is so compact.
Yes, exactly.
You can actually see every shop. You know exactly where you want to go. So we are standing in front of the famous dancing fountains of Kuala Lumpur, and you can have a look behind you.
I think it's really interesting because Malaysians are very much in tune, and you know they like this mix of nature, man-made stuff and nature.
Okay, so now we are at the Islamic Art Museum, which is located in the center, in the hub of Kuala Lumpur. This museum has over 12 different galleries.
And you know the interesting thing is, Juju, that this is the largest Islamic arts museum in the Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
And it has more than 7,000 artifacts from the Islamic world. So I'm having these.
Let's go check it out. I'm excited.
Let's go. Dome of the Rock is actually, the Dome of the Rock is the oldest Islamic structure to have survived in its original form. So it has been like that since the 7th century, which is
Wat Hussain Mosque in Thailand.
I love going to the museums because you know, it takes me to this another world, and I think coming to an Islamic museum, because of course there's a connection, it's just breathtaking, and I mean, I can't really talk about it. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Everyone must visit it, really.
I think it's beautiful.
I'm going to marry someone who's going to get me this. Okay, he has to get me this from this museum. ठीक है जुजू? We are in front of the Batu Caves, and it's just stunning. Look at it, man. I mean, it's phenomenal. It is beautiful. Why is it called Batu Caves? Because there's a village nearby which is called Batu.
That's where it gets the name from. And if you look behind us, there are steps going up. There are 272 steps, which in 1920 were made out of wood, and then they were made into concrete steps a little bit later. But we're going to try and climb those 272
I'm gonna
steps.
do it. So I think I've not even climbed 50 stairs and I'm tired. But I'll make it.
So now we have arrived in Chinatown, which is on Pentling Street. It's in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. It's full of local artisans, crafts, painters, also accessories, clothes, shoes, and it's come highly recommended. So
I'm only interested in shopping right now, so whatever information
We're getting?
she's going to provide it. So yeah.
so let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
They have everything under the sun, from food to paintings to watches and belts and bags. Everything is available here, and you have to
I like
bargain.
light shades. वो नहीं हमारे यहाँ लगे होते हैं. ये जैसे board होता है उसपे egg के होते हैं.
Very nice.
I take people on their face value. No, so if they say something is just for this much size, चलो,
Chalo, let's go.
चलो, अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So we're outside KL Tower, which is basically a communication tower, and this is the 7th tallest freestanding building in the world. And upstairs there's a revolving restaurant.
Where we're going to now go because Amna is very, very hungry, and we've actually had to
And I'm
drag
about to
her.
faint.
Yeah, we were holding her to get her here.
So see you guys upstairs.
So we've come up, we've been looking at the city skyline. It's beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of Osama because of the mountains and you see it in the backdrop. And we've had a fantastic day exploring all of KL. It's been exhilarating to say the least. And